3 years ago, my Chicken Nugget playing cards project on Kickstarter paid tribute to Just Nugget. And thank you for your support. It's all sold out now. I think it's time to bring you a new surprise. In many people's mind, 1970 Just Nugget playing cards are the casino's most original design. But are they really? Think about it. Just Nugget Casino opened in 1964. What cards did people use during the 6 years in between? Now, with the help of collectors River and IG, I finally got my hands on the original cards printed by Arco. These Arco cards inherit the most original design from Just Nugget Casino. More importantly, this card feels super dope and they handle like a dream. To recreate the same touch and feel of the cards, I've been working over the past year to bring new life to this undiscovered legend. Now, we are this close to finishing the last mile. With this new Priority Vintage Cards project, we are excited to introduce to you this great paper material we have developed for it. Vintage stock. It's thin, snappy, and not too soft. Try it and you will know the beauty of it. I believe it's gonna be a game changer for the playing cards market. I hope you like this surprise, and please do help us make it happen. With your support, the vintage charm and touch of the cards will be able to become reality. Want to be ahead of the market? Join us for the new vintage Chicken Nugget.